Salvete omnes, welcome to this video lesson on Fabulae, Faciles, easy stories. Section 26, we're in the story of Hercules and the fight with the Centaurs. Simulatque amphora aperta est, as soon as the amphora, which is a large jar, was opened, aperta est, two-word perfect passive, odor iucundissimus undique diffusus est. The most pleasing or most pleasant odor or smell was poured out everywhere, all right? Was diffused everywhere, if you wish. Okay? Vinum enim suavissimum erat, for the wine was most sweet. So, this is a wine that Hercules was going to share with Pholus. Centauri notum odorim sincerunt. The Centaurs sensed or perceived the well-known odor, notum odorum, et omnes ad locum convenerunt, and they all gathered at the place, or came together to the place. Ubi ad speluncam pervenerunt, when they arrived at the cave, magnopere irraterant, they were very angry, quod Herculem bibentum viderunt, because they saw Hercules bibentum, drinking. Bibentum is accusative form of the present participle. Notice the NT. Tum arma rapuerunt, then they snatched their weapons. Et folum interficere volebant, and they wanted to kill Pholus. So Pholus is another centaur. Like Chiron, he's one of the good centaurs. But problem is here, he's a friend of Hercules, and when Hercules shares the wine with him, but not the other centaurs, they get jealous. So they wanted to kill Pholus. Hercules tamen, nevertheless Hercules, in adito speluncae constitit. Now constitit, stopped, stood still. So nevertheless Hercules stopped or stood still in adito speluncae, in the entrance of the cave. Et impetum eorum fortissime sustenebat, and he withstood, sustenebat, their attack, impetum eorum, very bravely, or very strongly, fortissime. Faces ardentes in eos coniecit, he threw, coniecit, burning torches, faces ardentes, at them, in eos. Multos etiam, sagitis suis, vulneraverat, and he wounded many, multos, accusative plural, direct object, also, etiam, with his arrows, sagitis suis, that's an ablative of means. When you say by means of which something is done, so he wounded them with or by means of his arrows. Hai autem sagitai, moreover, these arrows, eidem erant, were the same ones, quae sanguine hydrae olim imbutai erant, which had once been dipped, right? So olim imbutai erant, had once been dipped, in the blood of the Hydra, sanguine hydrae. And the Hydra had poison that ran through its blood. So all of his arrows that he dipped in this caused people, well, they were fatal. They caused people to die. Omne sigitur, quos ille sagitis vulnerat, all those, therefore, whom he had wounded, vulneraverat, pluperfect, with the arrows, sagitis, is another ablative of means, veneno statim absumpti sunt, were immediately done in, absumpti sunt. This is kind of a euphemistic term for were killed, were done away with, were taken out, to use a similar English idiom, were immediately taken out, veneno, by the venom, by the poison. All right? Reliqui autem, however, the rest, ubi hoc viderunt, when they saw this, terga verterunt. All right, literally this means they turned their backs. Et fuga salutem petierunt, and they sought safety, salutem, with or by means of flight, fuga. That's another ablative of means there. Now the idiom terga verterunt, they turned their backs. There's an idiom in English, turn to tell. You can turn tail and run. So it's a little bit like this. They turned their backs and they sought safety in flight. So it's an idiom. To turn your backs here means to turn around, run away. Okay? That concludes section 26. So I hope you learned a few things there, whether it be about vocab or grammar review, or perhaps about the story itself. So we will see what happens after this, because there's more yet to come with Pholus and the arrows.